What's on? Thank you for coming back. It's been a good week since last week. Although we've had Storm Dennis here in Cornwall, we've been able to get quite a bit done. I say me. I've had a day doing a diesel engine maintenance course because I'm not particularly good at that sort of thing and I need to know. I've been able to get the decks pressure hose, which have been sadly in need of doing, and I've left a little bit too long, so they're now looking a little bit better and looking like I'm ready to welcome people on board. And I've also been able to sneak in sort of a nice day kayaking, sea kayaking up one of the creeks. So done a few little videos to add on to this. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Of course, if you're going to pressure hose, you do have to make sure you don't have any leaks anywhere. Otherwise, you'll end up with the pressure hose on board for a good 24 hours, drying out mattresses, just like I do. So thank you for watching again. Hopefully next week I'll have some more clips to be able to put up, and I'll even give you a tour around the boat, just show you what she looks like, as she's actually the most important partner on this trip that I'm going to be having for the next year. So thank you very much. See you next time.